Hi everyone, welcome back to the AWS series. And in this part, we are going to do a very good demo where I will upload one CSV file into S3 and our Lambda will pull the data from the S3 and push data to the DynamoDB. So let's take this demo in action. So first I am going to the S3. Here you can go to the S3. I have created one bucket. If you have not created bucket, you can create bucket and you can upload one CSV file inside this bucket. So for demo purpose, I have created one bucket and under this, I have created one CSV file and under this CSV file, we have a four column user ID, name, age and city and we have the five resources. Okay, so I'm going to upload this users CSV. Let me upload, add files, users, open, choose checkbox, and then upload. Okay, so you can see that uploaded successfully. And when I went to my general purpose bucket, again new bucket, you can see that users CSV is uploaded to the bucket. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, so after that, I am going to create one Lambda functions. So for that, I am going to the Lambda. All right. So I click here, create function. You can create a function Lambda happen to pull, or let's give a simple thing, demo fn. All right. Select the runtime environment, which is a Python for me. And all right. So before to create a Lambda, I just want to tell you that my objective is here for this lambda will pull data from the S3 and push data to the DynamoDB. It means this lambda should be able to communicate with both S3 as well as the DynamoDB. So for this purpose, we need to create one role, right? So that that role has permission of S3 as well as DynamoDB and all the operations of a Dynamo Lambda function. So before creating a function, I am going quickly to the IAM role, roles, create roles. Yeah, here I am choosing one service, which is in our case is a Lambda, right? AWS service. I choose this Lambda, and I need to give permission for two things, especially one for S3 full access, or you can give the get object only S3 full access for now demo purpose, and second you need to give the DynamoDB Dynamo Dynamo full access. Yeah, and also you can provide all the Lambda full access. Lambda full AWS Lambda full access, right? So I have added three policies here, or you can say that I have given a three permission to this role, right? I am giving the role name Lambda role to S3 and DB and DB. Okay, so I have assigned these three permissions. Create role. Okay, now role has been created. Now I am going to the Lambda. Okay, create a function. You can give a function my demo function. All right, create your run environment as per your wish. Okay, custom setting. We can go in additional settings to provide the IAM role. So here there is one option, custom execution role. You can on this radio button and you can choose your role. That was Lambda role to S3 and DB. Save. Yeah. Now we have assigned this role to this Lambda. Now I am going to create this function. All right. So this is the step 2 where I have created the Lambda, right? So yeah, implementation is in progress for this Lambda. And meanwhile, I can showcase you. I have written some code which pull this CSV data from S3 and push to the DynamoDB. Okay, so you just here copy and just Control A, Control V, and deploy this. Okay, so deployment is in progress. Successfully deploy. Let me run this Lambda functions now. Test. So before to test this, let me quickly go to the one. Just a second. Yeah, and let me quickly go to the DynamoDB table where actually we need to push our data. The DynamoDB, use the DynamoDB. If you remember in last video, I have created one table which was the users. Here you can explore the items, users, and run. You can see we have not any record now in this table. So now I am going to test this and let's see that our Lambda will pull the data from S3 and push into the DynamoDB or not. So my testing, no need to give any event because we are not sending any parameter to the Lambda function, and just click on test and okay. Yeah, and let's see if it works or not. Execution function succeeded. It returns the success status code. CSV data successfully imported into the DynamoDB. Okay, so we have apply all the CSV data to the DynamoDB. Let me validate that data has been reached to the DynamoDB or not. Just run. Yeah, so here you can see that 5 decoded has been inserted. So what we have learned in this video, we have we have uploaded one CSV file to the S3. Second, we created one Lambda, but before creating a Lambda, we created one IAM rule where we have provided the permission to rule for accessing the S3, for accessing the DynamoDB, yeah, and all the activity related to the Lambda. And then we create a Lambda function. We put some code in under the Lambda function so that it can connect with S3 and pull all the data. Here you can quickly see showcase. I can showcase you in a Lambda functions. We are connected with S3 and pull all the CSV data. And after making connection with the DynamoDB, we are pushing the data. So code side here you can see we have important two namespaces. Board 3 which is used for making the connection with S3, DynamoDB or AWS services and CSV. And here we are giving some general parameters like bucket name, object keys, and we have downloaded this file into S3. And after that we have we have taken the reference of a DynamoDB table and put this item after iterating or getting the data from the CSV file. And finally, last step, we are able to see all the data into the DynamoDB. So that's all for this video. Please do like, subscribe, comment if you like this video. Thank you.